Hey guys, what's up? Another unboxing video for you today. Today we have a Steam Deck. I'm sorry, I have to be really quiet because it's late at night. I just got back from a football game and this thing couldn't have chosen a worse time to arrive. There's the unboxing process for you. Plug in, power on, you know, all that. I get the charger out first. It is pretty packaged nice, you know, for something like that. It's simple and it's quite good. Where did I put my knife at? Okay, there it is. Okay. Here's a little locked tower or whatever. It's really simple packaging. I expect that though from people that don't really do much. They're really barely just started in the PC gaming hardware market. Anyhow, this charger is proprietary. And I'm gonna buy another one so I can. I'm gonna get another one when I buy. So here it is, the Steam Deck. Yeah. Is there like a tear or something on this bag? That's cool. It comes with like a little. Okay, we'll just slice open into the bag. It's cool that they provide you with a case. That's something that Nintendo was like, nope, you can't really do that. Your games are going places. I guess that's true. Take that off. This thing's a little bit chunky. What is this? Oh. I don't know if this is for controller or something. Anyhow. Little valve. Like, I don't know what that is actually. Oh my gosh. It's prevented from opening. Cut that off. Piece of crap. Alright, we're gonna close this. Back up now. I actually heard that the new Steam Deck, aside from the like OLED and all that, is just kind of like bad processing power. So I'm not gonna buy that. In fact, I'll probably just wait until they release a whole new one entirely to buy one of those. Okay, okay, I have it. Okay, oofa. Damn, that's nice. A little bit chunky, but it's huge. Look at this display, dude. That's huge. All right, let's turn it on. I'm probably gonna. Okay. Hold on, let me look at this. It's being really goofy. Plug in. I did that. Hold on, let me look up. All right, well that was the unboxing. Bye.